how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently watched videos on Facebook. Let's dive right in. So open up your Facebook app and then go to the three lines in the top left and scroll down, go to settings and privacy, tap on settings again. Now scroll down until you find activity log. Just tap on it and then tap on the drop down beside your Facebook activity. Scroll down, tap on manage post. Now you need to go to filters and go to categories and tap on videos you've watched. So now it will filter out only the videos that you have watched with the dates also. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.